Hello guys, welcome to Tim Reviews Everything. Guys, I'm going to be reviewing another YouTuber today. The last time I did this, I was looking for a method to build cornhole boards, and I found DIY Pete's method the easiest. Guys, if you have not seen this video and you are interested in building your own cornhole boards, and I am by no means a builder, so his methods of showing you on there was very easy to follow. That link will be at the end of the video if you guys want to click on that and watch that. Today, guys, I play piano on the side. It's just something that I enjoy doing. I used to play drums and guitar back whenever I was young, and then I got out of everything, and then it was probably about a decade ago, if not longer, my mom bought us tickets to go see a Christmas concert, local Christmas concert here in the Pittsburgh area. And it was the late B.E. Taylor, and there's one of his guys got on and played the keyboard, Hermie, and he just went nuts on that thing. And I always love music. I listen to all kinds of music, and I just miss playing an instrument. So I always said I want to learn to play the piano. So I caught a bug from that Christmas concert. I went home, got a keyboard, and then I started searching YouTube to find out easy ways to learn how to play the piano, because I don't want to pay all this money for lessons. Plus at that time I was a lot younger. So I went and got a keyboard and I started surfing YouTube, and I found this guy. His name is Shawn Cheek. It's Easy Piano Lessons, and his website is webpianoteacher.com. Now, I have not been a member of Shawn Cheek's probably for quite some time, probably over 8 years. But I am finally, wanting to get back into it, because guys, he does teach you how to read music, but his method of showing you is so you don't have to learn how to read music and you can just get right into playing. Although I don't remember everything that I used to play, but I'm sure once I get on there, it's all memory. There's a couple songs that I went on, and once I started getting the hang of it again, it started coming back to me. I am not a frequent piano player, but I have been lately. I've been getting back on and playing. So this is his method. So basically what you're doing is you're reading from bottom left, and you're reading across, and then you're going up the page. So this is Africa by Toto. I just basically took a video and threw it up there just so you guys know his format. And the greatest thing with his videos is he puts part one on YouTube. So go to his Shawn Cheek. Guys, I'm not affiliated with him in any way whatsoever. I just think it's a cool way to learn the piano. Go to Shawn Cheek on YouTube, and you guys could subscribe to his channel, and he puts part ones of everything on there, so which is awesome. So you don't even have to go on, learn part one of a song that you like. He has thousands of songs. Learn part one, and if you like it, join his channel for a month or two. You can pay monthly memberships. It's $19.95 a month. Here's his memberships. Back when I did it, it was $150 a year. But he's come a long way with this technology and stuff like that. There's some videos when you click on them, you'll see they're very low quality. But you can see now he's really done a lot with his channel. I am more than likely going to be rejoining his channel for the $240 a year membership. So that's what I'm going to do. So basically what I'm going to do is, guys, and if you're a pianist, guys, don't be critiquing me. I'm not the best piano player. The way I look at this is, like I said, guys, I used to be a runner. And if you're a runner, it's like an escape. Okay, when you're running, you don't think about anything. It's just you, and you're just zoned, and literally nothing is in your head except for running. Well, that's how I feel when you play an instrument. When you play an instrument, it's just you and that instrument. You're just zoning out. Everything that's all negative in your mind and what's going on in the world just goes away. And it's just you and that piano, you and your guitar, whatever it may be. So I'm going to play a couple songs on the piano. I'm going to play Love Story. I'm going to try to pick some different songs. Love Story was something that my late parents have requested a long time ago before they passed away. It was their wedding song. But it's an easy song. He rates his methods on easy, medium, hard, expert. So, you could pick, all the easy methods and start learning some easier songs. And this is one of the easy songs. So I'm just going to play a little bit of, that. I'm going to do a little bit of Christmas canon, just guys, real quick. I don't want to sit here and bore you with all the music, because like I said, I am not by any means a good piano player, but you're going to be able to tell what I'm playing. And that's what it's about, is just having fun with the piano. So instead of having that thing sit there, I have a guy that comes in, tunes my piano for $80. Get the piano tuned and start playing it, and his method, guys could start tomorrow. So that's what's nice about it. Do it on your time. The next song after I do Christmas Canon is going to be Canon in D. I'm just going to play a little piece of that. And then I'm going to do Green Sleeves. What Child Is This? Green Sleeves. And then I'm going to end with For Release. So guys, I'm going to do that real quick just to give you, just to show you guys. I have zero training on the piano whatsoever. And if you're a pianist, you're going to be able to tell because I'm not pedaling right or doing whatever, but I don't care. That's just something I enjoy doing. And it's something that, if you guys have a piano sitting in your house, maybe this is something that you guys can start doing and start learning to play the piano. So without further ado, let's go play that. I'm just going to play for maybe a minute or two, just to show you guys real quick that, someone that has zero training in the piano can play the piano after watching Shawn Cheek's videos. All right, guys, remember, not perfect. I just have my songs listed here that I said I was going to do in order. So this is Love Story. Once again, guys, mistakes, whatever, it's just a fact. You could have fun with it. Christmas Canon. Just a little piece of Canon in D. We'll start here. A little bit of that. Green Sleeves. What Child Is This? And For Release. And my phone's ringing. So that's that's that, guys. So that's it for the piano part. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Like I said, something different, reviewing another YouTuber. If you guys got a piano and you want to learn how to play piano, I highly recommend going on his YouTube channel and try learning the first parts of songs. Guys, even if your piano is not in tune, you could still tell, you know, what you're doing. He takes you section by section, and I think it's a very easy way to learn how to play the piano, and might be something you guys pick up. So, guys, that's it for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I will see you later. Have a good one.